Hello. So last time we have covered the extensions of abdomen and planes of abdomen. Now we are covering the abdominal walls and their nerve supply and many things. Abdominal muscles, etc. So abdomen. First we know last time this is diaphragm, the upper extension of abdomen. Diaphragm, upper extension, and below here is pubic tubercle, pubic bone, iliac bone. Then here is present a symphysis called pubic symphysis. Pubic symphysis. And here is a line called pubic crest. Some important marks of iliac bone are this: pubic crest, and here is tubercle on both sides. This tubercle is called pubic tubercle. Done. This pubic crest is also called pectinate line. Pectinate line. Done. So these are the extensions of abdomen. Here is pelvic brim present. Back side here is sacrum present. So now we are covering the abdominal layers. So layers क्या होंगी? First we know from outside this is skin present. Then first layer होगी. This is first layer. Second क्या होगी? Deep. This superficial fascia. This is superficial fascia. Superficial fascia. Superficial fascia is divided into two parts. The first is Camper's fascia, and other is Scarpa's fascia. These both are superficial fascia, but some differentiation. This is fatty layer, fat present. And this is membranous. Then next, after deep superficial fascia, remember is no deep fascia present in abdomen. No deep fascia. Reason? Because sometimes abdomen extend during pregnancy or during obesity. So if deep fascia present, so abdomen cannot extend. So here deep fascia not present because deep fascia is tough, rigid, not flexible. After deep fascia, here is layer called another layer called fascia, not much developed. And again after this fascia, muscles present. 5th milligram muscles. 3 muscles present. First is external oblique muscle. First is external oblique. After this, again fascia present. Fascia present outside muscle and inside muscle. Then second muscle come is internal oblique. Then after again fascia. These fascia are not much developed, but again third muscle come. The third muscle is called transverse abdominis. Abdominis. Then again, it developed fascia present. Developed fascia. This is called fascia transversalis. This is much developed fascia. Fascia transversalis. Transversalis. And then a fatty layer called fatty layer which is called extraperitoneal tissue, extraperitoneal fascia, extraperitoneal fascia. Then peritoneum. Peritoneum is covering of organs in body. As thorax is thoracic fascia, mediastinal fascia, again fascias of organs, heart and lungs. Here is fascia of organs, peritoneum. Then viscera. Viscera is basically stomach, intestine, liver, etc. Viscera. So these are the layers of abdomen. From outside skin, superficial fascia, then muscle, external abdomen, again fascia, internal oblique, again fascia, transverse abdominis. These three are muscles. Then fascia transversalis, fatty layer, extraperitoneal, peritoneum, then viscera. So these are the basically layers of abdomen. These are some fascias. Then we will cover the muscles extension and origins. So there are some muscles in abdomen. The muscles is external oblique, internal oblique, transverse abdominis. Again, muscles of abdomen. Muscles of abdomen. First is external oblique, internal oblique, transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, then pyramidalis muscle. These are 5 muscles of abdomen. Pyramidalis. Pyramidalis. This is called abs muscle. Remember, abdomen has abs, 6 abs. So these are abs muscle, 6-pack abs, pack muscle, 6-pack muscle. Done. These more developed in bodybuilders, and then pyramidalis. So these are 5 muscles of abdomen. Now we will cover the muscles extensions and muscles origin. Done. So first we know this is sagittal section. We know here is lower 6 ribs. These are lower 6 ribs. On lateral side, done. Lower 6 ribs means 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. These are lower 6 ribs. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Done. Here we know ilium bone present. Done. Here is ilium bone present. So first we cover the external oblique origin. External oblique origin. Take origin from lower margin of, take origin from ribs, lower border of lower 6 ribs. 8 ribs basically. These are 6 ribs, some 8 ribs odd. 6, this is 6th rib. And again 5th rib. It take origin from lower 8 ribs. Done. Origin. This is origin of external oblique. Take origin, then go this origin of and then go into central point and take insertion in this anterior portion of iliac crest. Remember, this is iliac bone. The margin of this is called iliac crest. Iliac crest. Iliac crest. It take origin from upper 8 ribs. इसका origin लिखते हैं. Origin. हर मसल का this is origin. Upper 8 ribs, basically lower border, and outside, from outside, lower border and from outside surface. Upper 8 ribs, lower border, outside. Done. This is origin. Insertion is going to center. Here is a whitish line present called linea alba. A white line, white aponeurotic line. Aponeurotic मतलब a flat tendon. White aponeurotic line. This is white aponeurotic line called linea alba. Done. So insertion first in linea alba, then go in front, come in front and center linea alba. Then and again one origin is at iliac crest. Anterior two-third. A form anterior to two-third. It form a canal called canal or ligament called inguinal ligament. Anterior two-third, it form a ligament called inguinal ligament. Inguinal ligament. Like, let's say this is anterior iliac crest, then this is front point. Anterior side, there is a point called anterior superior iliac spine. Anterior superior iliac spine. This is point on iliac crest, anteriorly, that point. And here we know pubic tubercle on pubic symphysis, pubic tubercle. So here is a ligament present called inguinal ligament. It forms inguinal ligament in anterior to third portion. So this is origin and insertion of and again one origin is at insertion. Third insertion is called pectinate line. Pectinate line. Fourth insertion is called xiphoid process. We know here is vena alba, xiphoid process present in center sternum. Xiphoid process. Xiphoid process. These are insertions of external oblique. Insertions are more than origin. So these are some parts of external oblique. That note this. The one point again about external oblique is upper four ribs are upper four digits of this external oblique mix with four digits, blend with serratus anterior. We know above serratus anterior present first 8 digits of serratus anterior. We know एक और insertion serratus anterior, एक origin serratus anterior. Then lower 4 digits 8 है ना. Upper 4 digit take blending with serratus anterior. We know serratus anterior take origin from this and go behind the medial border of scapula. Lower 4 digits with latissimus dorsi. Latissimus dorsi also present in lower 6 ribs. T7 to T12 होती है latissimus dorsi. Latissimus dorsi. Done. So these are some again important point about external oblique. So these are the origin and insertion. Nerve supply of external oblique is from sympathetic T7 to T12. These are the nerve supply of this. So this is nerve supply, digits, origin, insertion, and linea alba. This is first abdominal muscle. Note this. You can take screenshots. First take this screenshot, then take this screenshot. Take this screenshot. Then take this screenshot. So both area covered. Done. So now again we cover the next some muscles, other muscles. Origin and insertion. Done. Some things are same. Idiot, crest. Crest. So next muscle is, we can rub this muscle, is internal oblique. So internal oblique is reverse of external oblique. External oblique fibers are go like this. This. Internal oblique line go this. So they are perpendicular to each other, like thorax. Thorax we know, external oblique go this, internal oblique go this. Backward or laterally, and external oblique go downward medially. Done. So here some important point. These fibers, external oblique fibers go like this, and internal oblique fibers like go like this. As done. So first point we will cover this point is called anterior superior iliac spine. We know anterior superior iliac spine. This is point. So some origin and insertion take place. The origin is an anterior. Origin anterior 2/3 of iliac, anterior iliac spine. Anterior 2/3 of iliac spine. Then we know posterior 1/3 take also insertion, take also origin for latissimus dorsi, and anteriorly external oblique spine. Anterior 2/3 of iliac spine is first origin. Second origin is from thoracolumbar fascia. Lumbar fascia. It is a fascia present in back. We will cover next. Fascia, just a simple fascia present in back, which cover the muscles. Muscle fascia basically. It give origin to internal oblique muscle. Done. So these are the two origins of this. Done. Then come to the insertion. The same insertion is like this. We can rub this point, this knot. The first is linea alba, xiphoid process, pectinate line. Pectinate line, xiphoid process, and linea alba. Then the ligament present, the inguinal ligament present like this. Here take origin. This is anterior 2/3 of iliac spine. Here, remember, external oblique take insertion in anterior 2/3 of iliac spine, like inguinal ligament, but it takes origin. So it is reverse. Perpendicular fibers present. External oblique, external and internal oblique fibers are perpendicular to each other. Done. Null supply is same, but L1 is also included, and L1 is also included in this part. Done. L1 is also included. So these are second muscle: insertion, origin, and abdominal wall. Done. Then go to the third part. Note this. Same point is done. Again, then we go to the third muscle: external oblique, internal oblique, both complete. लिख देते हैं external oblique. These both are done. Then is हमारा transverse abdominis. So first we will rub some points. So origin and insertion of transverse abdominis is, remember, internal oblique take anterior 2/3, but transverse abdominis take anterior 1/3 of iliac spine. But and these are layer are arranged like this. Outermost is external oblique, in between internal oblique and inner lip of iliac crest is formed by transverse abdominis. Layer wise arrange होंगे. External oblique, internally transverse abdominis, and internal oblique present in between them. Done. And thoracolumbar fascia. And so these are origin of this. And insertion we can include the same insertion of this, but done. Now come to the nerve supply of this. But some again insertion one we can include. One insertion is this is from. So these are the points. Then come to the nerve supply. Nerve supply is same like this: T7 to T12 and L1. These are the same points. It also attached insertion. Insertion is lower origin होता है इसका. Origin point is also lower 6 ribs. Lower 6 ribs of inside inner border, inner surface. Remember this: inner surface. These also origin, 3 origin, and 1/3 of iliac spine anteriorly, thoracolumbar fascia, and lower 6 ribs. Insertion is same: linea alba, pectinate line, support process. Pubic pectinate line. These are and pubic tubercle. Pubic tubercle also include on this internal oblique. Pubic tubercle. Then these are some points. And this also insertion one is some part on inguinal ligament. Some part of this attached to inguinal ligament. These are the same insertions for internal oblique muscle. These are the same insertions of internal oblique and transverse abdominis. But and these origin में something different is this is not the origin for internal oblique. These are the two origins for internal oblique and these three are the origins for transverse abdominis. Done. Nerve supply is same. Nerve supply में no change is in nerve supply. Then come to the another muscle is called, which muscle is called rectus abdominis. So this is also done. Then come to the rectus abdominis. Rectus abdominis, some things are changed. The rectus abdominis origin of rectus abdominis is pectinate line. The rectus abdominis go like this from lower to upper. Pectinate line, pubic tubercle, and insertion is we know this is the xiphoid process. Costal margin of 5 to 7 ribs, basically 5 to 7 ribs. Inner surface, yeah, remember this is for also inner surface of xiphoid process, inner surface, and this also for inner surface. So 5 to 7 costal cartilage. Done. Costal cartilage. This is also called ab muscle. Done. This is the some points. But one point remember. Remove. These are the two muscles like this on both sides chest. This is one rectus abdominis. This is two rectus abdominis. Here these are some bands also present in rectus abdominis like this. Some transverse bands, which divide it into 3 or 4 segments. These are the six-pack abs. In some people, these 2 bands all develop when they exercise. But remember, third band also present, but it is not complete. It is complete in some people. These are transverse bands. कितने होंगे? 2 to 3. If third is developed, then we developed 8 packs. And if 2 is present, then we developed 6 packs. Mostly 6 packs also present, not 8, because it is not complete. Remember, done. 6. 2 segments होंगे, 2 bands पे 6 packs. 3 पे 8 packs. Done. These are the some origin and insertion. Nerve supply of rectus abdominis is also same. Remember, the same nerve supply also present in for rectus abdominis. Nerve supply no change. Nerve supply में no change. कोई change नहीं आता. Then note this. Note this. Then last muscle is called pyramidalis muscle. This also done. Then is pyramidalis muscle. Some things are changed. Then origin is pectinate line, same, and pubic tubercle. Pubic tubercle, same. This is a triangular muscle, not always spread. Sometimes it is absent also. Insertion is linea alba. It is present like this. Let's say this is, we can rub it. Let's say this is line of linea alba. Done. So it present like this muscle. Here is pubic symphysis, pectinate line, pubic tubercle present. Then pyramidalis. Then pectinate line. And this is linea alba. It insert in linea alba, triangular muscle. Linea alba. Nerve supply of this is T12. It takes nerve supply from T12 nerve. Not all. Remember. Then so this is 5 months. So you can note this. First, this is origin, insertion, and abdomen. So basically these are the walls of abdomen and some muscles of abdomen. Next time we will cover the formation of rectus sheath and inguinal canal. Thank you.